Do you like your hoof trim? This is a routine maintenance trim on a back foot of a older Arabian. So first I'm just going to clean up the tip of the frog. I want to see where the true tip of the frog is. It's going to help me know where to bring my toe back to. Then I'm going to come in here. I could also use a hoof knife for this. This lower bar that's kind of lumpy, I want to take down, and it's coming off, flaking off nice and easy. For the upper bar, I am going to grab my hoof knife. I don't want to take too much. I just want to skim the top and make sure it's not running out into the sole. Make sure we're standing up. This is like some excess bar material coming out into the sole right there, so I want to get that. Same on this side. I'm just going to expose it. You can see the line of the bar is a little more cream colored compared to the white sole, so I can know where it is. There we go. Easy. And then what I'm going to do is just these little flaps of frog I'm going to clean up. I'm really not touching his frog too much today. It looks really good. That is not a deep groove at all. So even though it's winter, not really battling thrush in this foot. Little flap there. I want the frog to be pretty even without over trimming. If it's particularly high, it might be putting too much pressure, and if you trim it too low, it's not getting enough stimulation. So it's a balancing act there. Next, I'm going to sight the foot. All right, good boy. And this side's a little bit higher. I'm just going to take a few strokes off the whole foot. Really no height to take down, but I just like to at least expose the fresh hoof. And right here I was a little high. So check. There we go. And this is a pretty healthy hoof. We're a little long here. I can bring the toe back. Bring my nippers in here. It's a little more than I want to do with just my rasp. So I just want to start the slight bevel farther back a little bit to help with breakover. And then I'm going to ease into the rounded toe. I want to bevel all the way around the hoof. This horse is nice and healthy frog and heels. I'm not needing to correct any underrun heels here. And so I'm just going to come around, smooth everything together. I'm working at this bevel here. I've got my rasp at an angle. There we go, all the way around the toe. And again, I just kind of beveled. So we're getting this breakover from 10 o'clock to 2 o'clock. Right, that's the whole foot.